How can you say this? I can't spend in with my
I
family.
can say that because I can say that in summer season you went to beach with your family and you can spend plenty of time with your family.
Listen.
And very you can spend plenty of time with your family if you go to beach and so many water parks in summer season, but not in the same case in winter season.
चलते रहेंगे काफिले मेरे बगैर भी, चलते रहेंगे काफिले मेरे बगैर भी, यहाँ एक सितारा टूट जाने से आसमान खाली नहीं होता।
Ill. You know.
Yes,
The person.
I can
Why
100%
are the
I can surely
why are
say
the
that.
persons moving to only cold weather season, cold weather place like Switzerland, Kashmir, and other things where the natural
as
formation.
the period is very short.
There's also
No, winter vacation
There's
period
also
time is very short.
from 15 January. From 15 there's also winter vacation.
You cannot say that. As compared to summer and winter season, the summer vacation is very long as compared to winter season.
Yeah.
And children's most like the summer season because they enjoy ice creams, cold drinks, and their favorite types of like candies, chocolates, but not in winter season. Why?
मौसम ने ली अंगड़ाई और निकाल ली आपने रजाई, आइसक्रीम से हुई लड़ाई और मूंगफली है घर पर आई, शरबत से मुंह मोड़ लिया, चाय से नाता जोड़ लिया, जरा सी ठंड के आई आपने नहाना ही छोड़ दिया।
Say that so many summer is a sun season of the light. If you the sun on your head and you will get so many sweating, then you will you will enjoy, and one disease you get like itching. Use too much itching and then you will in the ill, then you have to use Navratan powder. Yeah. Then
Morning to my panelist. I am Arbaz Ansari, and today is our debate session: winter season versus summer season. I am strongly favor in winter season because winter season is a good reliability and good impact on our health and our mental issues. So many benefits of winter seasons are we are living too healthy. They are less disease ratio as compared to summer season
excuse me.
and 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 other reliability in and less electricity usage in cold seasons also. And there are so many advantage of winter seasons. Many tourist places are famous for only winter season because most of the tourists want to go on winter season, winter areas, hilly areas, and these are the so advantage of winter seasons. And the people who live in winter seasons, they live long as compared to summer season persons.
First, he said that the winter season is more habitable for the living. But in my opinion, the winter season is not habitable for the living. Who is living in? Who are the adult peoples or for the children? They are not living good because they may be affected from cough and colds. They may be affected from pneumonia also. They can be affected. And another thing, he said that if the more people prefer to visit places in winter season, but in my opinion it will be not go for the adult people. They will affected from any disease. In summer season it will be habitable for anything. You have no need to you have no needs for any health issues.
Then in hot how students can go to tuitions and
Good point.
the man goes to job in a very hot weather. And also we talk about old
But
man
in
and
winter
child.
season,
They,
but
the
in
hot
no,
season
but
is
in winter
also
season,
very
the
bad for
old they get sick, they got sneezing. What's about that? But the same cases is not in summer season. It's only in winter season.
Excuse me. You have said that in winter season many people are suffering from sneezing and itching also.
Yes.
So for your kind information, there is a ratio as compared to summer season. There are too many diseases form in summer season like dehydration. All the people
For your kind information, I also want to tell you about one thing.
Dehydration and
I
also in
also want to tell you
and
about one thing that
summer season
as compared as the you have taken the ratio, I am also taking the ratio, and I have to tell you about this thing.
Yeah.
As compared to summer and winter, more people are dying in winter season, not in summer season. In summer season, in fact, in summer season, you can spend a plenty of time with your family,
yeah.
but not in winter season.
How can you say this? I can't spend in with my
I
family.
can say that because I can say that in summer season you went to beach with your family and you can spend plenty of time with your family.
Listen.
And you can spend plenty of time with your family if you go to beach and so many water parks in summer season, but not in the same case in winter season.
This is a huge palace. This is a huge.
And
This
after
is a
that
huge.
they got ill.
Yeah.
Coming
How
from
can you
that
say-
they got ill.
How can say?
I can say that.
Means who,
I can
it,
say that.
It means who they are living in winter season. They are always ill. You know.
Yes,
The person.
I can 100%.
Why are the
I can surely
why are
say
the
that.
persons moving to only cold weather season, cold weather place like Switzerland, Kashmir, and other things where the natural.
As peoples are
Listen.
venting to coldest places. So
And-
many peoples are like to went to summer places like beach and like the so many water parks.
That
So-
causes infection and anxiety. Summer
And,
season,
as
summer season
compared
creates
to-
summer season creates anxiety and suicide
kids
also.
kids
Suicide
also
is-
like summer season so much because of in summer season they got very big vacation as compared to winter vacation.
For your current
Winter
information,
vacation is very short.
there's also
No, winter vacation
There's
period
also
time is very short.
from 15 January. From 15 there's also winter vacation.
You cannot say that. As compared to summer and winter season, the summer vacation is very long as compared to winter season.
Yeah.
And children's most like the summer season because they enjoy ice creams, cold drinks, and their favorite types of like candies, chocolates, but not in winter season. Why?
In my point of view, summer season is a season of light, energy, and happiness. It brings a long day, and students get very big vacations and enjoy their vacations and go traveling and have fun. It gives us also very delicious food like mango and watermelon, lychee is my favorite one. So I like this season most because lychee is my favorite one. And and uh, 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 players and farmers also sign in these seasons and go along because long day students study and outdoor activities. I one more reason I love this season because I was born this season, so I like the most. I like the most.
Say that so many summer is a sun season of the light. If you the sun on your head and you will get so many sweating, then you will you will enjoy and one disease you get like itching. Too much itching and then you will in the ill then you have to use Navratan powder. Yeah. Then after if you will in the winter season then the new year, if new year will come then you
Yeah.
will take new resolution,
Yeah.
new challenges, and you will get more success in your life in the winter season when the new year
let
will
me
come.
answer you. Let me answer.
And you as you said that you will spend more time with your family, but in the winter season when you will not go out from the home,
Yeah.
then you will spend more time with your family.
Yeah.
And as you said people children go in the water parks.
Yeah.
So in the village people they can't afford the water park, they will go in the ponds and river also. It's river also, and they will natural swimming pool, and they will
So
get
it
ill.
is- sir, it is a-
they will get
Sir,
so
it is
many
an advantage
disease.
of sir summer season. It is not. Yes, sir. It is not. Not.
No, no.
No.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
so would you like to
in,
go,
in winter season? How can you?
bro?
You-
Would you
you
like
will
to
use
go
it-
in the river in the winter season? Would you like to go?
No, I will not go.
You will go in the summer season.
Yeah.
Right.
That's why.
So that's why I'm saying that in the summer season so many people are going in the river and they will get disease.
How can this? If we.
No,
I
no,
agree.
no, no. They are too much skin
Yeah.
skin issue, infection, and
So
also.
what?
Listen, listen, listen.
Let me.
Yeah.
Did you have ever heard about the oldest people? They always prefer or use river water. At that time, there is
That
no
time was
aquaguard,
that
no
time.
RO.
Let give me example. Give.
as he has said that in summer season we got so many rashes and disease, and we use Navratna powder. The same case in winter season we use the candy dusting powder. What's about this? The same process is in winter season also. In winter season, because of coldness and sickness, the people they
Not
didn't
all
take
the
bath.
people, all the people using this type of powder, but in the summer season, most of the people
I can say
Navratna
I can
powder
calculate the
and
ratio
Nycil
between
also.
summer and winter season. So surely I can say that the candy dusting powder is more using as compared to Navratna powder.
So, have you used any time in winter season candidates powder?
No.
Yeah, I
They
also
are
listened
less
first
one.
time.
They
I
are
don't
less
know
one.
which type of powder you are talking
no,
about.
according to your point of view, I also didn't heard about the Navratna powder.
Oh my God! So I
I
think
have didn't heard about what is this? Huh? What is this?
so.
What is this?